sida gudoomiye wada saabalatar iyo Jerome Pass
ka diyaarinay waxay qaadatay muddo 4 bilood
dib u habeen cusub lagu sameeyo.
I would like, on behalf of Somali Football Federation, thank for the FIFA to accept to start for the Somali FIFA events. And when we look at the back, 1986 was the last time FIFA to hold an event like seminar. After 1986, there is no any FIFA events in Mogadishu, the capital city of Somalia. And that was, everybody knows, because of the civil war. The place is buzzing with the enthusiasm that what you would like to show to FIFA, that you are ready for whatever. So now you have to work through it, and I hope that my presence here will help to show not only FIFA, but the world of football that you are ready for what it takes to host any FIFA event or CAF event in the future. The course is not a license course. The participant and the instructor.
runtii waxay tahay waxa anaga aan ku faani karna maanta ama noo faa'iida in koorskan aan ka helno aqoon waxa maxay tahay waxa ugu weyn in markii la tababarayo qof cunug yar ama qof weyn isku mid ma ah way kala duwan tahay marka skillska loo isticmaalo caruurtaas ayaan ka helaynaa koorskan haddii Ilaahay yiraah iyo waxa ugu muhiimsan oo ah in caruurta dhaqankooda la toosiyo loo soo jeeday dhinaca sportiga.
Because they can concentrate for a lot of time. Shaqayaan ay jecel yihiin. Marka adiga choose the character of the kids.
We are teaching them how to organize first of all, because you know the kids, they are all over the place. The first thing is to organize them, to give them responsibility. For example, taking care of the equipment, organize themselves. They could be also coordinating.
Yeah, go 1-0.
This 1-0.
No, give it. Okay, 1-0.